Today we're going to review part number L4080. This is the Redline T-handle locking stainless steel flush door latch for enclosed trailers. This is a flush mounted latch that uses a stainless steel spring on the inside. Outside has a nice stainless steel finish. Does have a locking cylinder. The whole latch is designed of a stainless steel construction. And basically how this will operate is this will mount flush into your trailer door, and with the pulling the T-handle, the T-handle can be folded down flush when not being used. If you just flip it out, and then you'll be able to see that as you turn it, it will lock and unlock the latch on the inside. It does come with a lock and two keys. The keys do have numbers on them that will match the number stamped in the locking cylinder. So if you put the key in the lock, turn it a quarter of a turn, that will actually lock the latch so it cannot be opened. Then you can just push the T-handle down so it's got a flush. Handle's not sticking out. Now I'll show you to unlock it, you just turn it a quarter of an inch. That will unlock it, and I'll show you the back how it operates. When you go to lock it, it just moves in, locks it from turning, and then when you unlock it, it just releases it. Locked, won't allow it to turn, and unlock, you're only turning a quarter of a turn. Does come with the two keys, does come with a foam gasket that would be used when installing it onto your door. Just like that. Does have 4 pre-drilled holes for installation. And this latch is designed to fit in a mounting hole size of 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. And as far as the thickness of the door, I'll give you a few measurements here. Actually, the total depth of this from the flush surface to the very back here is going to be 2 3/4 inches, be your total overall depth of this latch. Now, as far as the door thickness that this latch will fit on, if you can see here, there's a threaded bolt right here, and you have 2 nuts. This can be loosened and tightened depending on the thickness of your door. So the range of the door thickness that this will fit on can range from 1 3/8 inches thick to 1 11/16 inches thick. Has a nice stainless steel finish. And that should do it for review on part number L4080.